This video, I will show you how to back up your entire Android phone to Google Drive without any stress. Let me show you how. First thing first, go ahead and open up your Android phone settings. So go ahead and click on settings. The next thing you want to do right here is to simply scroll down all the way down until you get to system. So go ahead and click on system. The next thing you want to do right here is to simply scroll down right here until you get to backup to Google Drive. Go ahead and click on that. Then in a few seconds, this is going to open up right here. And the next thing you want to do right here, your data is automatically back up to your Google account when the device is idle. Then you can decide to back up your photos and videos on your Android phone. This depends on you. If you would like to back up photos and video of your Android phone devices to your Google account, simply click on here and make sure you turn it on. All you have to do is to simply turn on this particular button right here. And with that, every backup and with that, every photo or video you take with your Android phone will automatically back up to your Google Drive and your Google account. But if you don't want to back up your photos and video because of the large file, you can leave it turned off right here. To back up the entire Android device, go ahead and click on back. Continue to go back. The next thing you want to do right here is to simply click on backup now. Turn on Wi-Fi to backup data. Then you need to make sure you are on a Wi-Fi network. After that, go ahead and click on backup now, and every data on your Android devices will be successfully backed up to your Google account. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Android topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.